Good morning, Elaine. I'm Miss Parsons and welcome to this week's Merit Assembly. I hope you've all had a great week so far. I know that from all the tweets that I've been seeing on Twitter and all the home learning I've been seeing getting uploaded to Google Classroom, we've all been working super hard this week. So let's get right into it and see who's been rewarded with a merit this week in each year group. So starting off with lower key stage 2, in Miss Ola's class, she would like to give a merit for Izzy for demonstrating our value of excellence in English, and to Kelsey M for a positive mindset in maths. She would also like to reward a merit to Dylan for showing excellence with all of his learning this week. So well done, you three. It sounds like you've been doing some great learning, so keep it up. Miss Parham would like to give a merit to Lily for a fantastic effort with all her remote learning this week and for taking responsibility by sharing her reading aloud on Zoom. Well done, Lily. And Mr. Stewart would like to give a merit to Michael Jr. this week, as he's been working hard on his remote learning throughout the week, showing great enthusiasm on his Zoom calls and writing a fantastic poem, which Mr. Stewart says he is so proud of. So well done, Michael Jr. Now let's go over to Key Stage 1. I've got a lot of merits here, so sounds like Year 1 and 2 have been working very hard this week. So in Year 1, Miss Whiting would like to award 2 merits for 2 different children who've been showing great resilience with their remote learning. So one of these is Zach, Zach, who has been very resilient with his maths this week, and the other one is for Lillian Rose, when she's shown perseverance when writing a letter to a pen pal. So well done, Lillian Rose. And for those Year 1s working hard in school, Mrs. Ram would like to award a merit to Alex for showing excellence in everything you're doing. So keep it up, Alex. It sounds like you're being a fantastic role model for everyone in school. And Miss Ram would also like to give one to Chase for showing resilience in maths by not giving up. Sounds like there's been lots of resilient learners in Year 1 this week, which is what I like to hear. So well done, everyone. And then in Year 2, Mrs. Denman would like to award a merit to Alina this week. So they've been regrouping in maths, and despite it being quite tricky, Alina has persevered. So well done, Alina. And Miss Denman would also like to give this week's merit to Jimmy for settling back into his school routine very well. So super proud to hear that, Jimmy. Well done. And then finally for Year 2, Miss Boyne and I would like to give this week's merit to Beau. So Beau has wowed us this week with the remote learning that she's been uploading to Google Classroom. She's shown a great attention to detail in her presentation and her handwriting. So your efforts definitely have not gone unnoticed, Beau. So well done, you. Over to EYFS now. So in EYFS, Mrs. Midgley would like to give this week's merit to Esme for trying really hard in maths, understanding number bonds and how to use objects to work out your answers. And then in Onyx class, the merits go to Caitlin for working hard to complete a range of home learning activities each day. And Miss Kai Daniels has also given a merit to Leah this week for working super hard on her handwriting and correcting her letter formation. Well done, girls. And lastly, over to Upper Key Stage 2. So again, I've got lots of merits here for Upper Key Stage 2. Sounds like they've been very busy. So Miss Lacker would like to give a merit to Ava this week, who's been showing resilience and determination in her remote learning. She's been proactive in completing all her tasks and shown excellence in her presentation too. She's also engaged in all the live Zoom sessions, helping her friends with tasks they find difficult. So demonstrating that character skill of relationships as well, which is great to hear. And then from those children in school, this week's Year 5 merit goes to Alicia because she's continued to be a fantastic role model for the rest of Year 5. Miss Barnett would like to award this week's certificate for Elm class to AJ. So AJ has only been at the school for 3 weeks, but has made such a positive start, always has a great attitude to his learning every day, and he's always coming into school with a lovely big smile on his face. And she said, "You're an asset to Elm class, keep it up." Mr. Paul would like to award a merit to Annie in Year 6 for an excellent reflection in her history work, where she thought really hard about the feelings and injustices that segregation brings. Miss Brake's merit is also history related. She was very impressed with Kaya May's efforts that she's been putting into her remote history learning. She said that you've been producing some excellent work, which she has shared on Google Classroom as a great example. And last but not least, Ms. Harris says that she would like to award a merit this week to Jayden. Jayden has shown great resilience and perseverance with all of his learning this week. So keep up the effort, Jayden. That's what I like to hear. So it sounds like we've had lots of resilience all round Elaine this week, not giving up and keep trying even though things might be a little bit tricky. So make sure you keep up that great work, everyone. Keep sending us your tweets, keep uploading all your learning to Google Classroom so we can all see. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next week to see who's been getting the merits for their hard work. Bye.